Hey, Brian from GarageMahal. Today we have a Vevor Kettlebell. So I'm in my home gym, so let's open this up, see what we got inside, how it works, and then we can go from there. So that's just the top of the box for curiosity's sake. And it had some directions there. And then that is your styrofoam cover. And then this is your kettlebell. And to say the least, this is on the heavier side. So let's get this plastic off. Nice looking kettlebell. Pretty cool. Awesome. And then this is the front of it. Just give you a kind of an idea. So that is your base. So you have, let me kind of show you here. So you have two alignment pieces right here. And then on the bottom of the kettlebell on this side, you'll see the two arrows as well. So and then it kind of sits on that, and then as easy as twisting it will select your weight. So pretty ingenious design. So again, this is your 44 pounds that you're starting off with. Sits down there nice and easy. Then you got your 37, 31, 24 and a half, 18, 11 and a half, and then 5. So that is your 5 pounds. Kind of give you an idea. So again, very easy to line this back up. And then, like I said, if you wanted 18, that gives you your 18. So pretty cool design. I like how this works. Nice and simple to use. And if you're putting it in the wrong way, it's not going to go down all the way. So you have to find those arrows on the side and then line that up. But just kind of give you a better view of that. So that is more of your dial selection. And then very easy. I love that it has a nice crisp click to it. And again, that is your 44 pounds. So definitely something to work up to for sure. And then, like I said, down to 5. And then that gives you an idea of how the inner stack works, the weights. And then you go back from there. But yeah, very cool. Pretty awesome. All in one unit. And super user friendly. And super transportable. So if you had to move it, just remember to grab it from the bottom of the base. But you can do a variety of different exercises with this. Homemade. And again, thank you, Vevor, for having such a nice, cool mechanism, workout piece of equipment that you can do a different variety of exercises with. I love the fact you can do like single arm military presses with that. But anyway, a variety of different things you can do with this. But anyhow, Brian from GarageMahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there.